In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder and upload files in Google Drive. If you're looking to organize your files and keep everything in one secure place, Google Drive is an excellent tool. Let's dive right in and get you familiar with the process. First things first, you're going to want to open up your Google Drive. Once you're there, look towards the top left of your screen and you'll find a button labeled New. Give that a click. This is your gateway to creating new folders and adding files, acting like your main toolkit for all your Drive activities. After you click on New, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select New Folder. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's crucial because it allows you to create containers to keep your files organized and easily accessible. Now you'll be prompted to name your folder. Choose a name that is descriptive and meaningful to what you'll be storing. For example, if it's a folder for work documents, perhaps something like Work 2023 could work. Once you've typed in the name, simply hit Create. Your new folder will appear in your Drive list, ready for action. With your folder now created, double-click on it to open. This places you inside the folder, preparing for the next phase where you'll be adding files. Once you're inside the folder, direct your attention back to the New button. Yes, we're going to use it again. Click on it, and this time select File Upload from the list. This step opens up your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to browse your local documents. Here you can select the files you want to upload to Google Drive. Simply navigate through your folders, find the file or files you need and choose them. Once selected, they will begin uploading automatically, appearing in the folder you just created once the upload is complete. Uploading files might take a moment, especially if they're large or if your internet connection is on the slower side. Once the upload finishes, your files will be safely stored in the cloud, readily accessible for whenever and wherever you need them. You can always move, rename, or share them with ease. And there you have it, your organized folder is now populated with your chosen files. This quick, simple routine of creating folders and uploading files can significantly boost your productivity and help you maintain a streamlined workspace on Google Drive. Thanks for joining this guide, and I hope you found it clear and helpful. Whether for personal or professional use, mastering these basics in Google Drive will surely prove beneficial as you manage your digital assets.